eat breakfast or have breakfast. So this is a very common mistake I have seen in many students. They said eat breakfast. No, we don't say eat breakfast. We say have breakfast. For meal, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner, right? Or supper. So for lunch, right? We use have breakfast. We don't say eat breakfast. We just only use eat for the specific food. For example, you say eat. I eat banana. I eat banana. I eat banana. Or I eat pork. I eat beef. I eat apple. Like that. So this is the specific food, and then we use eat. But for lunch, for breakfast, for dinner, for supper, we say have. So don't be confused, right? And sometimes you see another word. It has the same meaning, or we can say synonym with eat, and that is consume. Consume. For example, I consume 2 apples a day, right? The same, I eat 2 apples a day. But when we use consume, this word is quite formal, and usually we use this word in book. You can say this word is a scientific word, or you can say that this is a technical word, like that, right? So in books you see this word, but in daily conversation you can see the word eat here, or you can see eat, or we talk eat, we say eat, like that. But we don't say eat for breakfast. Okay, so I hope you understand and don't be confused about that and avoid this common mistake.